What if you could find car electrical problems in minutes instead of hours? From short circuits and bad grounds to blown fuses and battery issues, the right circuit tester can make troubleshooting much easier. In today's video, I'll show you the best automotive circuit testers to help you diagnose faults faster and work with confidence. Check the links below for prices and details. Let's get started. Number 1. VDIAGTOOL V200 Pro. The VDIAGTOOL V200 Pro is a professional-grade power circuit probe tester designed for serious automotive diagnostics. It supports both AC and DC voltage testing, resistance testing, diode testing, relay testing, and continuity testing. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to activate components directly from the tool, making troubleshooting much faster. It also helps locate short circuits, identify bad ground connections, and test signal circuits with ease. The included 30-piece back probe kit and 20-foot extension cable give you extra flexibility when working around larger vehicles. Built-in overload protection helps keep both the tool and vehicle electronics safe during testing. The integrated flashlight is a useful addition when working in dark engine bays. The interface is easy to understand despite its advanced capabilities. Whether you're a professional technician or an experienced DIY mechanic, this tool provides everything needed for advanced electrical diagnostics. Pros: extensive diagnostic and testing functions. Includes back probe kit and long extension cable. Cons: larger size than basic circuit testers. Who it's for: professional mechanics and advanced DIY users. Final verdict: a powerful all-in-one automotive circuit tester built for serious diagnostic work. Number 2. Autel PowerScan PS100. The Autel PowerScan PS100 is one of the most recognized circuit testers in the automotive industry. It combines voltage testing, continuity testing, polarity detection, and component activation into one compact tool. This tester allows you to quickly identify positive and negative circuits while also powering components directly for faster troubleshooting. The display is easy to read, and the controls are simple enough for both beginners and experienced users. Its durable construction and reliable performance make it a popular choice in professional workshops. The device helps eliminate guesswork when diagnosing electrical faults and saves valuable repair time. The compact design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods, and the overall experience feels polished and professional. Pros: reliable performance from a trusted brand. Fast and accurate electrical diagnostics. Cons: fewer advanced accessories compared to some competitors. Who it's for: DIY enthusiasts and professional technicians. Final verdict: a dependable automotive circuit tester that delivers professional results. Number 3. JDiag Topdiag P100. The JDiag Topdiag P100 offers far more than basic voltage testing. It includes battery diagnostics, injector testing, diode testing, resistance measurement, and component activation capabilities. Designed for 6V to 30V electrical systems, it helps diagnose a wide variety of automotive electrical problems. The tool supports multiple languages and provides accurate readings for both simple and advanced troubleshooting tasks. Its ability to test injectors and activate components gives users deeper insight into vehicle performance. The controls are straightforward, and the menu system remains easy to navigate despite the number of available features. For mechanics who need more diagnostic capability without paying premium prices, the P100 offers impressive value. Pros: advanced diagnostic features beyond circuit testing. Supports injector and battery diagnostics. Cons: may require some learning for first-time users. Who it's for: advanced DIY users and automotive technicians. Final verdict: a feature-packed diagnostic tool with excellent versatility. Number 4. Topdiag P100 Pro. The Topdiag P100 Pro is designed for users who need wider voltage testing capabilities. It measures voltages from 0.1V to 100V and supports current testing up to 18 amps. The bright 2.4-inch display provides clear readings, making diagnostics easier in different working environments. It can test resistance, voltage, and active current while supporting both 12V and 24V vehicle systems. Its rugged design and reliable performance make it suitable for cars, motorcycles, and other automotive electrical systems. The interface is simple enough for daily use while still offering advanced functionality when needed. For users looking for a balance between affordability and capability, the P100 Pro stands out as a strong option. Pros: wide voltage measurement range. Supports active current testing. Cons: not as feature-rich as premium models. Who it's for: DIY mechanics and automotive enthusiasts. Final verdict: a versatile tester that offers solid performance at a competitive price. Number 5. JDiag P100 Automotive Circuit Tester. The JDiag P100 is a practical and budget-friendly automotive circuit tester designed for everyday troubleshooting. It supports both AC and DC circuit testing and works with systems ranging from 9V to 70V. The built-in TFT color display provides clear readings, while resistance testing and polarity detection help simplify electrical diagnostics. The lightweight design makes it comfortable to carry and use throughout the day. Despite its affordable price, it delivers the essential features most users need for routine electrical repairs and maintenance. The controls are straightforward, making it a good choice for beginners who want reliable performance without unnecessary complexity. It focuses on simplicity, accuracy, and ease of use. Pros: affordable and easy to operate. Supports both AC and DC testing. Cons: fewer advanced functions than higher-end models. Who it's for: beginners, DIY users, and budget-conscious buyers. Final verdict: a simple and dependable circuit tester for everyday automotive electrical work. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.